ClarityCRM delivers seamless integration with Zapier. What's Zapier? Zapier is an online platform that connects applications together. With over 1,500 apps to choose from, you can establish some really beneficial ClarityCRM integrations through Zapier. Import your leads from lead sources like LinkedIn leads and Facebook lead ads directly into the ClarityCRM Leads module. Import information and content from all kinds of sources like Google Docs and Google Sheets, Calendly, Slack, and many more. Easily automate data transfer from your go-to services right into your ClarityCRM database. With just a few clicks, you'll easily sync and map fields together, integrating ClarityCRM with the apps you use every day. Take your connectivity to a whole new level with Zapier and ClarityCRM from Claritysoft.